Welcome back. In this lecture we are going to work with our problem number 3. So let me click on my problem number 3. It has two parts, instructions and output requirements. So let me read out the instructions for you. So it is saying that from provided Parquet file located at below HDFS location, we need to get the maximum product price in each product category. And this is our HDFS path. So they have been providing us with the Parquet files, and in that Parquet files we have to find out the maximum product price of each product category. So I'll show you what is the input files is all about. So let me go to this input file first of all to show you what is the data that has been provided to us. So it is quite possible that they don't provide you with any schema and you are required to go to the HDFS and analyze the data yourself. Okay, so it's a Parquet file. So there are two ways to analyze this data. One is you can make use of the Parquet tools. The another way is you can read this file in your Spark shell and then use the show command to see the format of your file. So I will use the Spark shell. Okay, so that I think is the easiest way to do it. So I am under my Spark shell now. So let me read this data. Okay, I'll say spark.read.parquet and I'll give the input path here and then I will say .show. So this way you will be able to see the schema of your file. So it says it has product ID, product category ID, product name, its description, its price and its image. So what we need to do within each product category, like this category ID, we have to find out which product has the maximum price. So this is a very simple group by aggregate question in which you have to group your data based on the category ID, and in each category you have to find out the maximum of this product price. So that is all about what this question is asking. So let's read out the output requirement also. The output requirement says that the result should be saved in this location. The final output should have product ID, maximum price, separated by a pipe delimiter. Output should be saved in text format with the gzip compression, and the result should be ordered by maximum price descending. So that is our output requirement. So let's try to solve this question. In this question I will be making use of Spark SQL. Okay, to solve this question. If you are comfortable working with a data frame, you can use that as well. So before running my solution on the Spark shell, let me show you first what my solution will look like. So I will say spark.read.parquet and provide my input HDFS location, and then I will register this data frame as a temporary view and I'm going to give it a name as product. So once I have this temporary view, I can run the Spark SQL on top of that. So here what I am saying, just try to read it from here. I'm saying select, just leave this for now. So I'm saying select dash from product, group by product category ID. So we are grouping the products based on the category ID. And once we group the product based on the category ID, we wanted to find out the maximum of product price that we are taking in the select statement, and we are concatenating that with the product category ID using the pipe sign. So I'm using the concat function here to concatenate the product category ID with the maximum product price with a pipe delimiter. So that is what is our output requirement says. Okay, and then I'm ordering this output by maximum product price in the descending order. So this is my complete SQL statement. It is giving me the final output that I wanted to write. Then I'm saying write dot option, compression is gzip, format is text, and finally I'm saying dot save and my output HDFS location. So that is the complete solution for this particular question. Let me try to run this solution in my Spark shell. So here I am running my solution as we just discussed. So I am creating a temporary view and then running the SQL statement and concatenating the product category ID and the product price and the maximum of product price using a pipe delimiter and a concat function. So that is all about the solution. Let me go to this HDFS location and let's see my output result. So these are all the text file that was saved in this output location, and this is a gzip compressed files, as you can see. So if you wanted to see the content of this compressed gzip file that is in the text format, we can make use of hdfs dfs-text command. So here in the very first file, I just have only one output, that is the category ID, pipe delimiter and the product price. So that is fine because we just have a small data, and it is fine to have only 1 or 2 records in the final output, but in the exam the data will be bigger and it could have more results. So that was all about this problem statement. So stay tuned. Let me see you in the next lecture where we will solve our next problem statement.